Welcome to the tutorial on how to use the React Emergency Notification app. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of raising an alert on the React app. Let's get started. Now let's walk through the process of raising an alert on site using the React app. In the event of an emergency, open the React app and click on Create a new alert. Select the alert type that corresponds to the emergency you're facing. Choose wisely. Once you've selected the alert type, you'll be guided to choose the site and location, including the specific zone or area. Your site details will be pre-populated on the React admin portal for your convenience. Next, you'll have the opportunity to add any additional information, such as a description of the alert, attach relevant images, or even record a voice message to provide further details. After reviewing and ensuring all necessary information is included, click Submit Alert. This will trigger the alert and notify all relevant personnel in real time, empowering them to take appropriate actions swiftly. It's important to note that the personnel who receive the alert will need to accept it, providing clear visibility that the alert has been received and acknowledged. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. We trust that you found it enlightening. Feel free to explore more tutorials from this collection. And remember, React, stay connected, stay informed, stay safe.